Hello guys, Ramadan Kareem. I cannot believe it is already Ramadan 2022. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys some easy suhoor meal ideas that you can make ahead of time to save you some time in the morning. All of these breakfast ideas are super nutritious. They're balanced with protein and fiber to keep you full all day long. These ideas are also really great to grab and go in the morning, whether you're going to work, heading out for school. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, please join the family. I am doing a full Ramadan series and I'll be sharing a ton of Ramadan content. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. The first recipe are homemade granola bars. Now you're probably thinking, why can't I just buy this from the store? These are 5 ingredients or less. These ones, you can control the amount of sugar that goes in here. You can also customize it, and it's so simple and easy to make. Literally, I got this done in less than 15 minutes. I will have the exact recipe down below, and feel free to customize this. I'm starting off with 3 cups of rolled oats, and to that, I'm adding a sweetener of my choice. You can either use honey or maple syrup. Exact measurements will be down below. A cup of peanut butter, you can also substitute for almond butter, 2 eggs, some chocolate chips. I'm adding walnuts for healthy fats, flax seeds, chia seeds. Really, you can add any ingredients you want in here. And then all you have to do is give it a really good mix, line a tray with parchment paper, and then pour this into that tray. What you really want to do is make sure you press down firmly, and you want to make sure you're pressing down evenly. So one side shouldn't be thicker than the other side. So I'm just pressing it down evenly, getting the edges and everything. And then all you do from here is sprinkle some extra love on top. So I'm adding some extra chocolate chips. And then all you do from here is pop it in the oven, bake it for about 15 minutes, and it comes out so perfect. You don't want to overcook these. These want to be soft and chewy. I'll put the temperature down below in the description as well. And here they are. These are really great to put in an airtight container, and you can just have a piece in the morning, or you can even have this as a snack after iftar. So this is my first recipe, and I really love the way this turned out. This next suhoor idea is great for those who like to eat a little bit more heavy in the morning, or you just don't have a lot of time. This you can batch create a few weeks ahead of time and literally have 30 days of Ramadan. These are egg and potato breakfast burritos. You won't believe how many times these have saved our suhoor mornings. I have a brother who refuses to wake up in the morning, and then he'll show up downstairs like 2 minutes before suhoor ends, and my mom can literally pull these out of the freezer, throw in the microwave, and have it ready for him to drizzle hot sauce over and devour. So these are perfect for those mornings, and it's super simple to make. All you need are tortillas and some eggs that have already pre-cooked, some potatoes that have already roasted as well, and you just assemble them. You can add as many ingredients as you want. I'm keeping it pretty simple. I like to put them in parchment paper as well, and then put them in Ziploc bags, and I label them so I know which ones I've made, and that is pretty much it. If you wanted, you can add veggies, you can add hot sauce, onions, mushrooms, bell peppers, whatever you like. And trust me, these are so good. I intentionally make these without any sauces, so that way when you preheat it, you can add either hot sauce or ketchup or whatever you like on the side. The last recipe is a breakfast classic. These are overnight oats. These are meant to be made the night before, and I really wanted to give this a shout out because these are a really great breakfast idea. They're filled with healthy fats and protein. They keep you full all day long, and they require literally no cooking and no prep time. Also, if you Google this, there are so many flavor combinations to choose from. I feel like there's something for everyone. Today I'm doing apple pie. So I start off with half cup of oats, some maple syrup, chia seeds, flax seeds, cinnamon, and some pecans, or maybe these are walnuts, and then a little bit of almond milk, some Greek yogurt for creaminess, and then topping it off with chopped apples. And then I close this up in an airtight container, and all you do is pop this in the fridge, and the next morning this is so creamy and delicious. Trust me, you guys have to try this out. So that is all for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any of your favorite go-to suhoor meal ideas that I should know about, leave them down in the comments. I'm always looking for some new great recipes. And yeah, make sure you're subscribed so you come back for my next video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!